So, I have a question for you. Do you get stressed out a lot, very anxious, and you need something to help you kind of help teach you mindfulness? Or are you just developing your spiritual journey and you kind of need a little bit of assistance of just kind of being in the moment? Lucky for you, I have the perfect solution. This box right here. You may ask, what is this mindful box? Our life is shaped by our minds, for we become what we think. Buddha. This amazing little box right here can help you when it comes to that. I mean, just look at that. It's a cute little sticker. With each box, you'll get at least 6 to 7 items. So let's dive into what we got. Affirmation for healing. I am healthy, healed, and whole. Oh, I love this. All right, let's check out the first one. Oh, we have a Hamza healing bracelet. And this little thing right here tells you everything you got. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I'm actually putting it on now to help me keep calm and grounded. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we have this beautiful stone. And then we have, oh, this gorgeous new moon jasper necklace. But this box can help you find mindfulness and just bring you a little harmony to your life. What do we have here? Oh, the raw fluorite. I'm obsessed. We also have 3 lovely pieces of Palo Santo wood. Ooh, let's see what the last one is. I'm excited. Oh, look at that. She's so gorgeous. This is also one that I got from the first box. I love when I get one of these in the mail because it normally comes at the perfect time where I need to just center and relax and breathe.